Zamave Bawefuwa manzartake Aslavantakan muri Musadi tarihe Dekonoishage emme muskuli SCT Peshawar Alexander the Great etanakun daturkuri viafarige mෑmage Duniyage ofedunu bodeti barutakum mita ule mitan dukoffa gossawatane Ekamaku Peshawar ege potuga demiyege Peshawariki Asiaage emme bodu market engirega mitana asa kudu mihen hunneiruga wara traditional wara kurige husasteken eba kurevekam zamani badaltaves eburi asa demi market ka wara mashhur eng drinking eba ve inge green tea ki hisaba wara mashhur vechekam wani ehme komme gote vies kudu benun green tea vitanu la balala So this is a very old building.
Yes.
And I see a lot of work here and there. Yeah. Is this like a cultural home area or how is it is made here?
This is one of the tea shop, okay?
Okay.
And they have this rooms for stay. So you can have the tea and green tea and then you can go to have some rest for 2-3 hours or if you want to stay for a night so you can hire a bed as well.
Okay, so like bed and breakfast?
Yeah, bed and breakfast, yes.
How old is this building?
So this is same like 18th century. So these are the heritage of Peshawar and they have an act, okay, rules that no one can destroy these kind of heritage buildings.
Okay. It is very, very beautiful.
If you want green tea or chai like with milk, black tea with milk, okay? So these green pots are for green tea. And they have the brown one. In the brown they will make chai.
Okay.
Milk tea or without milk, okay? They make in this pot, they boil the cardamom in this pot, okay? And then when it gets boiled, then they put the green tea leaves to make the color. Basically, it's green tea and one of the traditional drink of Peshawar. They don't make in a big pot and then put in it. They make only in this pot. Yeah, please.
There's a way of drinking the tea, holding it as well, right? The tea is very good. It's very nice. This is completely different. But I was just wondering, with this rich history here, what I saw even on the road, could you tell, what are the daily work? What do they do mostly?
And in this culture, we have a lot of artisans in this city.
Okay.
They are making shoes, they are making caps, woolen caps. They are the best artisans to restore old trucks, like truck art, okay? Then we are making like carpets, rugs, Awani carpets here. A lot of people they are doing, this is the main trade of Peshawar.
Okay.
Then making here a lot of copper work as well, like pottery. Okay, pottery work.
Okay.
So these are the live people, live work you can be witnessed.
This is very tasty. It's very different.
Very different.
But you have always been living in Peshawar, right?
Yes.
You studied here, you're working here.
Yes.
For you, like, what are the changes that you've seen from your childhood to now?
looking myself in like 36 years, like a child.
Okay.
So nothing changed for me. Change is just your living styles because of your education and then your work. So if you don't want to change yourself, you cannot be changed. But I am living in this city just because of the history of this city and just because of this, my rich culture. Yeah.
We are right now at a very busy market. It's hustling.
Yeah, this is basically one of the historical bazaar of Peshawar.
Okay.
And we called it Kissa Khwani Bazaar. Kissa Khwani Bazaar means the storyteller bazaar.
Okay.
In the ancient time, people, traders from different countries, they used to come to this city and they were staying for a long time here.
I noticed very old buildings here. It's very beautiful. The architecture is different.
In this city, so many families in different time they came and they ruled this city and they gone. We had so many multicultural design, architectural designs.
हम वारा busy market का वारा साफ ताहिर का हम वारा बड़ा फाह का कूड़े वे. It's very clean.
Yeah. Books, shoes, clothes, hosiery. Basically the gateway to Central Asian country. And also the part of the Silk Route.
Different parts of the market is for separately for different kinds of items. वारा बड़ बाजार है तफा तो एक ही काहल मुदा हादा तम विक्का तम फेने एकम वारा फुला दायरा एक लेदर शूज मितनु हादा तक कुड़े बफेने दे गाने कफा द कुड़े वे को मिस्काल स्पेसिफिक डिजाइन ने मितनु मिफेना leather shoes तक उगा होना
This is basically the design of Peshawar. That's why we called it Peshawari Chappal.
Okay,
The name of
so the stitches, the design, the cutting, all of it is done by hand.
done by hands, all.
Very, very talented artisans that push IMC.
Yeah, this is basically we are going to see some of the artisans. They are sitting, they are making shoes. This was built in 1919, and this was they use it for guest house.
This is like almost it could fall.
ದಕ್ಕಾಗುಮ್ಗೆ ಮೌರಜಕಂಗೆ ವೇಕ ಕುರಮುಂದ ಬಯಣ್ಣು ಮಿಮಿಹುಂಗೆ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ದುವಹೆಗ್ಗೆ ವೆಸ್ ತಿರುಳುಮುಗೆ ವಾಹಕ ಐಫರಿತಕಮ ಮುರಾಲಿಕಮ್ಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ಸಾನೆ
Me pudding, me barfi. हम कोम्मे च मीरोनी की नूंगे.
Fresh milk, rice, and the taste of cardamom.
Cardamom?
Yeah, again.
It's not cashew nut. Okay, I want to taste the barfi. Oh, wow. There is also milk.
Yeah, milk and cheese, they have mixed.
Pakistan ambu. Oh. ಅಸ್ತುಮ ಹೀಕುರಿ ವರ ಬುರೆವೆಸ್ ಅಂದಾಜ ಕೊಲ್ಲಂ ಕುಡುವಂಡೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾ ಬೊಡು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಮ್ಮಿ ವರ ಬ್ಯಾವರು ಏಕಿ ಏಕಿ ಎಚ್ಚಿ ಏಕಿ ಎಲಿಸ್ತವು ಬೆಬ ವಿಕ್ಕ ಮಿಹಾರು ಮಿ ದೆವೆಣಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎ ಗೋಳಿ ತೆರೆಂದಾಪ ಮಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕದವರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ತಂಕೊಳೆ ಮಿ ವಿಕ್ಕಣಿ ಮಿಗೆ ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಚ್ಚೆವ್ವೆ ಸೆಮಿ ಹುಣ್ಣಾಗ ಹೀರಾಪ ದೆಂಗ್ ಎಚ್ಚೆಗೆ ಆಗು ಮಿ ಲಿಬೆಣಿ all handmade.
All
right?
this, yeah.
Oh, let's go there.
They had the Napoleon army, so they were also living here.
So this is a bit of French.
French architecture.
Oh, here this is.
This is the Raj Kapoor Haveli. This is the birthplace of Raj Kapoor. During the time, like subcontinent, they were living here, and he born here. He grew up here. After separation, they migrated to India, and the house is still here.
Tales Abroad. Co-sponsor MTCC.
ಮಗುಮತಿಗೆ ದಿಮದಿಮ ಹೇಲ ಮೇಲವಾ ಮೀಹುಣ್ಣ ರೆಕ್ಸೆತ್ತಕುಗ ಬರುಗೊಣ ಮಾರುಕೇಟುಗೆ ಗೋಗುಂತೋಗೆ ತೆರೆನ್ ಎಹೆನ್ ಅಡೆ ನಿವೆ ಕಹಲ ಎಯಿ ಗರುಣುತುಗೆ ಕುರಿನ್ಸುರೆ ತನುಗೆ ಹಾಸ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಯಾಡು
So let's to see one of the ancient music instrument, the rabab, here, and they are playing. So they are the master people who are making the rababs. Okay?
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu
Walaikum assalam.
This is one of the ancient and very famous instrument of this region, not even in Pakistan, but in the Central Asian countries. The design is different, but the thing is same
Okay.
in different countries, Central Asian countries.
How many years has he been doing this work?
Yera zamma khuji dalta ke pehla
This is like fourth generation that this is our family work, and our forefathers has doing this work. From last 25 years, he is engaged with this work.
Very loud, it is very clear,
Yeah.
it is so beautiful. I don't know how to play, but I really want to try,
You can try.
as these are authentic products, right? What is the demand for these instruments?
yera ji dalta demands kho ji daga
In Pakistan, we have a lot of demand of this instrument. We have demand from Afghanistan, and then from other
European
countries, from
countries
America
as
and
well.
European countries as well.
over the time, has it changed the way they make the instrument?
जी न जी दा वक्त सारा चेंज छे दे जी
Okay, generation to generation, the designs got changed. Yeah, the look got changed.
What kind of wood do they use? What kind of...
This is basically the mulberry wood, okay, and it comes from Afghanistan. The good wood from Afghanistan for rabab making, okay. If and then the wood must be very old. That drum raki?
दा 3 पीस
Yeah, it has only 3 pieces, okay. One is this piece.
Which is on the
The,
side?
yeah, the drum. This is
Okay.
the drum, okay.
Okay.
One pieces is this, okay.
Which is on top.
This top.
Okay.
And one is this. These 3 wooden pieces. Only this is the rabab, okay. And here they put the lamb, the goat skin
Okay.
for the wires, okay.
So this part is where you put the goat skin. It's hollow
Yeah,
inside.
yeah.
Today's new generation, the young people, are they interested in these instruments?
A lot of students and young generation, they come to learn this rabab, and especially the girls, the females, they are coming.
زمون به هنگری نه یو شاګرد راتلا اغي بدل تکمون سره و یو
One girl from Hungary, she used to learn this rabab every year for 3 months in this shop. And one from Korea, Alize, okay, she came here and she learned from here, and now she is playing.
Let's see. Let me sit like, and then keep it on my knee like this.
One, two, three.
Move your hand.
It's not as easy as it looks. එකම් පාරක ගිටා කුලේ යොතන් කුල පස්සේ වෙදාඩකන් කුලේ but kike burani di life ka libera hama madu fursate ge heme ko me inge ka shenu je do kudu rabab kuladam ge fursat levetse
So let's have some special faluda here.
You have been talking about this Faluda. Let's do.
Munga ready dagar ya khawas stas rago ha. So dua dagar ala.
I have not had a Faluda like this in a bowl. This is special for...
This is very special.
Okay.
Because they make it with the pudding, ice cream with pudding.
Okay.
There is no machine. They just put some salt with the smashed ice, and then they put the pudding pots in this ice, and then they let it for some time.
Oh, okay. That is
half,
like a...
in
like
half
a
an
fridge.
hour, like a fridge. This is the special thing in the summer. They used to come to sit and to have some faluda. And this is the gift in summer season.
What are these bits? The long noodles.
These are noodles. Noodles from flour.
This is really good.
now we are at the one of the highest point of Peshawar.
Okay.
At that time, this beautiful archaeological complex built by the King Shah Jahan for his daughter Jahan Ara Begum. Okay.
Okay.
So this was one of the real royal Karwan Sarai. Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome to Peshawar City. Assalamu alaikum.
What's your name? Prince.
He is a tourism and cultural promoter in this city. This
A drink?
Yeah. Pashtun culture.
2,500 years.
Made by China. That's where you see the kebab is our tradition. Old. This was the movie Taj Mahal, Milab. You know Taj Mahal?
Yes, of course.
This, yeah, the movie.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah, look, it's still working, sir.
Me Shah Jahange Darifula Shah Jahan Hadadi for in Castle Terega Kudwala. Me Olevenega Migadiga Mini Antique Fiharega Mita Terega in Mita me owner me Dunega Hisabtakung Mikahala antique products the Modagan Koffa then Mitanamiana tourist to never some of it. And I go to them Alaga Mini Pakistan Gavara cultural head tech cover one.
This is still working, which I bought in London. Look, through this. Welcome, you are guest. Anybody. So this is a different building. This is a 400 years, the Mughal time.
400
Yeah,
years old.
yes.
Peshawar ga hame kadi bodati market space second nungi unne Peshawar ga vara mashhur authentic one of the dishes a chapli kebab em komme henen hadafa Peshawar ga asa chapli kebab habalala. So I would like to order some kebab.
You want need a kebab like 1 kg, half kg.
Okay. So let's take though.
Okay. Two must take it. Okay. They have the minced beef, ginger. They have put salt and garlic water. Okay. Some flour. Okay, and they will mix it very well. Okay. After this, they will put some spices as well. Spices, and at the last, they will put some onion and tomatoes. Okay. These are the minced tomatoes and onion.
Okay.
And then the person, the man, the chef is making the kebabs.
I noticed that these kebabs are different from the ones that I've seen.
Okay.
They are flattened in it.
Yeah. They are plated. That's why we called it chapli kebab.
Oh, okay.
Because of the flatness, we call it chapli.
Let's start.
Yeah, please. Let's start.
I want to taste it.
ಕುಡು ಮಿತಾಂಗ ಮಡುಕೊಲ್ಲ ಲಿಗುನಿ ತೆದುವಸ್ ದೇವನು ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ದಿಮಾಲ ಕೊಂಬಾರ ವಾಹಕ ಪುಣದೀಪೆ ಮಿತಂ ಎಕನ್ಯನ್ನು ಮಿತಾನುಗೆ ಮೀಹುಂಗೆ ಜಮಾವಿ ಅಮಿಲ ಉಫೆದ್ದುಂತಂ ಉಫೆದ್ದುಮುಗ ಎಹೆಂ ಬಯಕ ಬರೋಸಣುವೆ ತಿಬೇತಿವೋ ಗೀನ ಎಹೆನ ಸಾಫು ಬಯಕ ಮಸ್ಸಲ ಜಸ್ಸುಮೆ ಅದೆ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಕುರುಮೆ ವೆಸ್ನೆಂ ಹಿಂಹೆ ಬಯಕ ಯೋಲ ದೆಕ್ಕೆವೆ ವಾಹಕತಕ ಅಸ್ಲು ಮಂಜರ್ ವರ ತಫಾತ್ಕ
कितना?
आहारं